Reputable leaker Ming-Chi Kuo claims that there will be two 6.1-inch iPhone 14 models, a standard one and Pro, and two 6.7-inch ones, a Pro Max and Max. We have also heard more detailed screen specs from Rose Young, another leaker with a good track record. Young claims that the iPhone 14 will have a 6.06-inch 1170 into 2532 OLED screen with a 60Hz refresh rate and 460 pixels per inch. The 14 Pro will apparently have similar screen specs but with a 120Hz variable refresh rate. Then the 14 Pro Max is said to have a 6.68-inch 1284 into 2778 OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 458 pixels per inch. The 14 Max will likely have the same screen specs as the Pro Max but a 60Hz refresh rate. It was said that Apple is considering 120Hz refresh rate for the iPhone 14 Max, but the result of that decision haven't leaked as yet, and it seems unlikely given there were whispers of a 90Hz display for the larger model, which we really don't think is going to happen. One of the key things that's very likely is the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max both packing an always on display like Samsung has used for years and is used in Apple's wearable since Watch 5. This idea, which has been hinted at again in code buried within iOS 16, means that you could get simple small widgets and the time without needing to turn on your phone. It will be interesting to see if an always on display does come to pass, how Apple will explain why it's taken so long to bring this to an iPhone. And there is also a patent for a technology that could make the iPhone screen stronger without making it any thicker. That would be a nice addition, but patents often don't turn into anything, so don't count on seeing this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.